a moment of fun and frolic for me over here, and I wish it remained a permanent characteristic of my life. Whether that can remain or not, this place surely is on C.P. Ramasamy Road. This place is full of fun, frolic, and my favorite thing, food. The long corridor lit up with colorful cereal bulbs is a definite pull. It immediately lights up your mood, and once you step in, it's again colors. The only difference is these are edible colors. From tutti frutti to choco chips to all kinds of crunchy nuts that you would like to ornament and garnish your favorite flavor of ice cream with, it's all right here. Do you remember some months back when my brother took me to this ice cream parlor called Cream and Creamy in T Nagar? It was a pleasant surprise when I got to know that this place is technically supported by Cream and Creamy. I already have a fair idea of what flavors to choose.
The actual concept of this fun and frolic is as same as what they are doing in the Cream and Creamy or whatever the creamy inns which are available in Madras. The thing is that we actually wanted to give the ice creams in a very cheaper rate. Actually this area, the shop, we are very close to Mylapore and Mandavalli, which is of more vegetarian origin. So we take utmost care to even serve the cakes eggless. So the ice cream with cakes or even cakes, whatever you eat here, are eggless, pure vegetarian.
The interiors remind you of Barbie's home, with lavender shades interspersed with pink and magenta. So here I am with the Choco Mint Delight to begin my first round of fun and frolic. I added some choco chips because I believe that it enhances the flavor of mint. I just feel that there's more chocolate and vanilla than mint. So I'll have to really dig, and finally I get lucky to grab a full scoop of mint. The taste is wonderful and the flavor is very strong. So only a hardcore mint lover can enjoy this. And I am one. Before my weak teeth get too numb with the core flavor of mint, I ordered a nice crispy snack, potato keeves. Keeves is actually an Irish name for the vessel used for mashing. Here, it's mashed potatoes. The exterior layered with breadcrumbs is actually a perfect contrast to the soft, tender filling inside. And you enjoy it more when you know there's cheese and coriander also inside. Before you know it, every piece on the plate is gone too soon. If you're looking for more items to snack on, well, this place offers a variety of finger food like potato fingers and veg nuggets. When you're a foodie, you wouldn't miss the word food written in any corner. Like over there, it's pocket pizza. It's actually smaller than a shirt pocket. Thin pizza base in the shape of a square is slit and stuffed with sautéed vegetables and sealed. A combination of pizza and puff, I guess. It actually looks like a puffed up crackers biscuit to me. there is a mild tinge of garlic, but the pizza exterior crumbles and combines with the spicy filling inside, making it crunchy. Fun and Frolic also serves a variety of shakes, sundaes, and jellos. If you're looking to pack some ice cream for the family, there's an array of family pack flavors to choose from. While the ice creams and shakes are priced between 30 and 75 rupees, the snacks cost between 25 and 30 rupees. Jellos really aren't my favorite. I remember the last time I tried the lychee jello at Cream and Creamy. I don't know whether it's the jelly form or the lychee flavor that I'm averse to.
Actually, we just came by. This is the first time I'm coming. My daughter was actually asking for ice cream. I just saw Fun and Frolic. There you can see how fun they are having here. And I think my kids are really enjoying. Basically, the American Beauty, I think the flavor was really very good, very tasty.
So I ordered a sundae American Beauty. Well, she looks to be one, thin, long, colorful and sweet. What I like most are these nuts on top. They actually serve those full-sized cashew nuts and not those crushed nuts. So I get to enjoy it on the whole. But I don't like this orange sauce. Somehow for me, I don't like the tangy taste. It does not really blend with the sweet, icy, cold treat. I'm having so much fun here. But what's fun without a picture? John, switch it from the video mode to the photo mode. Come, let's all take a picture. Say cheese! If you're looking to have fun like this, all you have to do is answer this question on Feeding Frenzy. What is the top selling spice in the world? A. Clove, B. Pepper, or C. Mustard? Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. And don't forget the phone number, please.